Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to clean a desktop PC in 9 easy steps. Step 1, turn off your computer and unplug all of the cables to get it started. It's also a good idea to remove any USB flash drives, dongles or other devices from your computer's USB ports. Step 2, in order to open your computer and get it ready for cleaning, you need to unscrew the case screws at the back of your PC. To take off the panels, these screws are often thumb screws, so you may not need a screwdriver to remove them. Set the screw aside somewhere safe and remove your PC's side panel as well as its back and front panels if your case has them. Step 3, dust filters help trap external dust so that if doesn't end up inside your PC. They are often found underneath the bottom of your PC or at the front of the case. Look at your dust filters, remove them from your PC and give them a wash under hot water and set them aside to dry depending on your PC's case. There may be multiple dust filters. For instance, this PC case also has a dust filter behind its removable front panel. When in doubt, consult the manual that came with your PC or case for help finding all of the dust panels. Step 4, if you want to give your PC a more thorough cleaning, then you should remove some of its components while you can take out its RAM power supply and hard drives. If you want, taking out the video card should be enough if you have pulled your own computer. Before this won't be difficult for those that haven't. You want to be carefully unplug the wires connecting your video card to your power supply and unscrew the screw that anchors it to your PC's back panel. You also need to push down the tab that holds your video card to your motherboard before removing it from your PC. You will need to follow this process in reverse to reinstall your video card after you have done cleaning. Step 5, compressed air can be used to blow the dust out of your PC, but since it's expensive and also terrible for the environment, you are better off picking up an electric duster instead, especially if you frequently clean your PC and other electronics. Either way, take your PC outside and blow the dust off its fans and other components. Make sure to do several passes and avoid blowing air too close to the fans as you may damage them if they are spinning too fast. Step 6, since there aren't any electric components on your PC's side panel, you can use wet wipes to wipe them down. Afterwards, you want to use paper towel to remove any excess liquid. At this point, you also want to wipe down the top of your PC case. Use a paper towels instead of wet wipes to avoid damaging any USB ports on the top of the case. Step 7, dust can build up on the exterior vents on your PC's back panel too. If you will still see some dust after blowing off your case, you can use cotton swabs and rubbing alcohol to wipe the vents down and remove any dust you may find. Likewise, you can also use this method to clean your case's fans without removing them. Step 8, since you are cleaning your PC now, is the perfect time to tidy up and loose cables. Messy cables take up additional space, which limits the airflow inside your computer's case. To tidy up your cables, you are going to want to use cable ties in order to group wires running the same way together. Just be careful you don't pull too hard on them as you are tying them together, or you might accidentally unplug or damage them. Step 9, now that your PC is clean, it's time to put all the pieces back together. Reinsert any components like the video card may have removed and reattach the side panels to your computer's case. From here, you want to plug your PC back in the along with any other cables you unplugged and boot up the device. Try running a few of your favorite programs and test out the keyboard to make sure your PC is functioning properly. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.